Welcome! In front of me I have Realme 6i, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to the home screen. At first you have to click and hold your home screen and then tap on the left upper corner, left bottom corner to enter the widgets. Next you can pick a widget that you want to apply on your home screen. So I will go for this clock. Tap on it once. As you can see, it's added to the home screen. When you click on the home button, it will be attached to the screen. When you click and hold it and release, you can simply click and hold, you can move it. You can move it also on another screen. When you click on these two arrows, you have to accept permission to the location and you will refresh data of your widget. When you tap on it, your application of the alarm clock will be open. And if you want to remove this widget, click, hold, and then tap remove. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.